Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X3 GT and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and then here we have to scroll down in order to find proper section with the accounts. We've got the accounts and sync, and I will misclick, and I will manage the account using it. Of course, you can do it with the Google section, but I prefer this one, so let me tap on it. Here we've got the account with the Google, but maybe let's start with adding a new one. So let's tap on add account, choose Google, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it, because your device will simply autofill it after tapping on next. Alright, as you can see here, we've got the section where we can enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course if you want to, you can read it, just tap on it and you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading, of course. Alright, let's go back, and for some reason, alright, so as you can see, we just have this Google section, and if you want to check the accounts, if you've got more than one, you have to simply tap on it, and as you can see, this is the account we just added. Of course, you can also remove the Google account whenever you want to, so just enter this section, tap on, maybe not more, just tap on it and hold it. Alright, so unfortunately you cannot remove all of them at once. You have to enter the particular account, tap on more, and here remove account. So just do it one by one if you want to remove all. Alright, so this is it. This is how to add and to remove the Google account in this POCO device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.